No, I am completely lost. No idea where I am. That's it. Hello and good morning, it's Michael. If you're anything like me, you can get lost going just about anywhere without your phone. So today I plan on leaving my phone behind. I'm gonna explore Istanbul. I still really haven't done much of that since I have gotten here. I've really just been working on YouTube stuff. And now I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna have to find my way back. Let's get to it. Alright, so it is actually raining quite a bit out here. So that's where the fun comes in. Let's go. The streets of Istanbul. I have no idea where I'm going, but we are going to find something cool, even though it's raining a lot and it's cold. But we can't let that stop the adventure. Some Turkish tea. We got a Turkish burger. They have French fries on it too. How much? 24? 24. Oh, thanks. Teşekkür ederim. Have a good day. That Turkish burger was so good. They put like French fries on it and stuff. Like, it was awesome. And then it was like grilled and everything. Like, that was better than like most of the burgers that I've had back in the United States. That was so good. And also, the other funny thing, when I asked for a water, he didn't understand me, so he gave me a Monster. A Monster energy drink. I'm like, yeah, okay, I guess I need it, right? Going on this adventure. Yeah, the whole meal was 24, so that's about a little over $3. There's a statue up here we'll go check out. This is a statue. Some dude with a lion. Turkish flag, very cool. Let's go walk over by the water and see all these boats. It says Pablo Escobar on the wall. Pablo Escobar made it all the way to Turkey. Look at that. I want to get to that other side, but I don't know how. I might have to take a boat, but there has to be a bridge somewhere. I'm just walking along a highway. I'm just trying to get to the other side of the water, and I'm on a highway now. Honestly, I think I'm going into like I think I'm walking into like a military base. I don't know where I am. Yeah, this looks like a military base. No? Okay. Alright, he said I can come here. I'm gonna try and cut through the graveyard to get to where I'm going, so I don't gotta walk along the road. Maybe that'll work, I don't know. We will find out. Look at that. My shortcut through the graveyard actually paid off. It doesn't usually work that way. So, we found a little park. And we've also found our bridge that we need to get to. And that is the mosque that we're gonna try and get to. We just gotta get to that bridge. Let's go. Very cool. I guess this is some, I don't know what this is. I guess it's a plane museum, but it is closed, I guess due to COVID or maybe because it's raining. But this is on the path to the bridge. On the way to the bridge. Listen closely, you can hear they do a prayer over the intercom radio throughout the city. They do it multiple times. It's actually pretty cool. We have found our bridge. Now we just need to find a way to get up there. I assume that way. And look at that. We are on the bridge. We made it. Now we just got to get to the other side and find the mosque. And we have completed our task. My sidewalk just ended. I have to create my own sidewalk. There's no more road. There's no more sidewalk. I'm gonna have to go along the highway with no sidewalk. This is getting a little crazy. There we go. We're gonna get to the middle. Look at this. I have stumbled upon some ancient castle. Or maybe it's just a wall, I don't know. And I don't know the name of it, so I will name it the Wall of Istanbul. Hey guy. Oh dog. Oh barking. Okay. Now I am completely lost. I'm like walking through someone's like a driveway now. No idea. No idea where I am. No clue. So, you know, I just get the feeling that this is probably not the best spot in Istanbul to be right now. It's just my guesses by looking at the walls. Alright, I will zoom in when I get the chance, but that little pointy thing, that is the top of the mosque. We will go there. Do you need help? You need me help?
Yes.
Yes? You got it?
Okay.
Okay. What is your name? Your name? Michael.
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 Ahmet.
Abed?
Ahmet.
Ahmed. Nice to meet you. Thank you, Ahmed. So we are almost to the entrance of the mosque, and we made it here without any Google Maps whatsoever, just by looking. You know, to some people that may not seem like a feat at all. It should be very easy for some people, but for me, that is definitely a big one. like to go inside, but I don't know the rules. I don't want to be disrespectful in any way. Okay, I'm going to walk in, but I'm going to be silent. And if anybody tells me to leave, then I will. I'll just be very quiet. That was so beautiful, so insanely beautiful. Now it is time to head back, and we're gonna go back with the other bridge because the bridge that we went on, it lost the sidewalk. The sidewalk just disappeared. I don't want to have to walk on the highway again, so we're gonna go on the other bridge. Kitty kitty. Look at that. We made it back to the water, and I see the bridge to get back. We're now on bridge number 2. There's Galata Tower, and that is the mosque that we were at back there. Alright, so I pretty much made it back without using my phone whatsoever. I'm about 5-10 minutes away. I'll walk back to the place, but I want to stop and get some food. So I got a mushroom burger and some cheese toast. It's pretty good. It's about 43 lira, which is about $4 or so. But yeah, I'll see you back at the Air-Bnb. But would you look at that? We were able to get lost in Istanbul in the rain with no phone, and we found our way back. We're even able to get to a mosque on the other side of the water and back. As always, if you guys had any questions or anything that you wanted to ask me about what I'm doing here in Istanbul or anything like that, or any feedback on the video itself, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate it. Peace.